Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Elastic Path Platform with API keys, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate the Elastic Path Platform with API keys, start by accessing the Elastic Path dashboard. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of the dashboard. Look for the API keys management option. Click on the option to create a new API key. Fill in the required fields, such as the key name and description. Ensure you specify the required permissions for this API key. After filling in the details, click the Generate button to create the key. Once generated, copy the API key to a secure location. Next, open your preferred API client. In your API client, create a new request. Set the request method according to the API endpoint you want to access. Enter the API endpoint URL provided in the Elastic Path documentation. In the request header, include an authorization field. For the authorization field, use the bearer scheme followed by the API key you copied earlier. Review all your input to ensure accuracy. Finally, send the request to the Elastic Path API. Check the response for successful authentication and any error messages. If successful, you are now authenticated to access the Elastic Path platform through the API using your API key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.